Hello everyone, my name is Edward M. Patrona with my group members Joe Anthony Kalimag, Brian Morales. Here we are going to present our research, and our topic for today is the 3 Sustainable Development Goals or SDG. Now we move on. What is SDG or Sustainable Development Goals? The Sustainable Development Goals are a set of 17 global goals established by United Nations in 2015 to achieve a better and more sustainable future for all by 2030. And out of these 17 Sustainable Development Goals, we choose our topic is good health and well-being, quality education, and affordable and clean energy. And now we start in good health and well-being. Problem cause. Good health and well-being face several significant challenges globally, such as maternal and child mortality, communicable disease, non-communicable disease, malnutrition, sanitation and hygiene, access to healthcare, mental health, pollution, and environmental hazards. These challenges highlight the need for comprehensive strategies to ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. The importance of good health and well-being. Good health and well-being are crucial for several reasons. Like personal well-being, good health enables individuals to lead fulfilling lives, enhancing their ability to engage in daily activities and enjoy life pleasures. Productivity. Healthy individuals are more productive, contributing positively to economic growth and societal development. And economic benefits. Healthy population are the foundation of healthy economies. These aspects highlight the multifaceted importance of good health and well-being, emphasizing their role in personal, social, and economic development. Real-world example or statistical related to this goal. As we can see, significant progress has been made in areas like reducing preventable maternal and infant deaths, increasing childhood immunization rates, and increasing access to reproductive health care. And now, supporting the good health and well-being. Each of us can support the good health and well-being from various initiatives, or we can to improve the quality of life for individuals and communities. It can be a supporting, providing data, information, global health trends and challenges, which this can be helpful for them to analyze of how this problem can be solved.
My topic is quality education. What problem does it address? Poverty has long been a pervasive and intractable challenge in the Philippines, and education remains one of the most critical casualties of this social malady. The Philippine Statistical Authority has reported that approximately 16.7 million Filipinos live below the poverty line, with many of them struggling to make ends meet on daily basis. Ang masasabi ko dito sa the problem quality education addresses is the lack of equitable access to effective learning opportunities. Pangunahing issue sa Pilipinas, hindi kayang gastusin sa edukasyon, kabilang ang partikular na gamit at transportasyon ay maaring magtulak sa mga mahihirap na pamilya na hindi pag-aralin ang kanilang mga anak. Yung iba, hindi maayos yung silid-aralan. Why is it important? To understand the world around us, access to basic education is crucial. Through quality education, people acquire the ability to listen critically, reflect about reality, and make informed choices about their life. This goal also seeks to improve school facilities, increase the number of training and vocational opportunities, and increase the number of trained teacher available to provide a safe learning. Ang edukasyon ay isang mahalaga sapagkat ito ang pundasyon natin sa pag-unlad at makahanap ng maayos na trabaho. What are some real-world examples or statistics related to this goal? This indicator measures the share of the population aged 25 to 34 who have successfully completed tertiary studies, for example, at university or a higher technical institution. Tertiary educational attainment refers to ISCED, International Standards Classification of Education, 2011 levels 5 to 8 for data from 2014 onwards, and 2 ISCED 1997 levels 5 to 6 for data up to 2013. The indicator is based on the EU Labor Force Survey. What solution quality education? Effective instructional and administrative leadership is required to implement change processes. Effective leaders implement programs, plan strategies, and seek help. Any instructional program nurtured in school help enhance school culture, and such program and conducive to learning and professional growth.
What problem does it address? Lack of infrastructure. The present infrastructure is mainly built for fossil fuel plants and nuclear plants. The existing energy infrastructure needs urgent reform, as it is not capable of handling large amounts of renewable energy. Most importantly, some of its best sources are left with no infrastructure at all.
Affordable clean energy is essential for tackling climate change because it helps reduce the use of fossil fuels, which release harmful greenhouse gases. It also lowers air pollution, improving health and the environment. Goal 7 of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals aims to ensure that everyone has access to affordable, reliable, and sustainable energy. In 2021, about 91% of the global population had access to electricity. But some countries still had very low access rates. For example, in some areas, only 19% of people had electricity, highlighting the need for more efforts to expand energy access, especially in underserved regions. Supporting the affordable and clean energy. Goal 7 aims to ensure access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all. Sustainable energy is a critical enabler and dramatically improves the quality, accessibility, and reliability of service that children rely on for their survival, development, and well-being.